Let's see how we can use YouTube thumbnail generator to change our existing content's thumbnail. So to do that, at first we have to select particular content. Here is the particular content for which I want to change my thumbnail. Here is my existing thumbnail. So to change that thumbnail, I have to click here, get suggestions tab. Just need to simply click over there. And here on the right side, you can see YouTube is generating thumbnail for my content. We just need to wait for a while. And here you can see YouTube has generated thumbnail for me. So if I want, I can download by clicking this download tab. But if I don't like this thumbnail, then again I have to click here, get suggestion. And again, YouTube will analyze my content and it will give me another thumbnail design. And here you can see, here is another new options. And here is another options. So in that way, you can get suggestion from YouTube thumbnail generator.